thinking.
Yeah,
Right.
it's good. It's good. What? Tell me something about you, bro. I've heard only good things from Viraj and Sid
Come on.
Warrior.
Acha, I can see. Viraj and Sid might say that. I don't know if the people say that. People,
Manish says that.
Manish
I've
also.
I've never heard anyone say anything bad about you, dude. Like
That's very rare. I'm
like
very
I
dislikable.
yeah. Sorry.
I said I'm very dislikable in general.
No, dude. I've like literally, at least from the people who know you, like everyone just says good shit about you
I'm glad.
always.
I'm glad, bro. I'm glad. Likewise for you. Like, I've only spoken about you to probably Viraj. And so Viraj always has great things to say about most people. But, well, I've been a consumer of your content since I was fairly young. Like, I think it's been a while now. So, well, good to talk to you, bro. About me, bro, I still go to school here in New York, Columbia. Mein. I study psychology. Student will finish
Nice.
soon. I started last year, um, mostly in August when I moved back to India for a little bit, and the rest is history as such. What else? Ask me a specific question.
Uh, Bombay at any point?
Say that again.
Are you gonna be in Bombay soon? Like at any point? Are you planning a trip?
मेरे जी really insists that. My grandpa really insists that I come back to India during the winter break, December वगैरह में. So if I'm there, I should because most of my team works out of Bombay, and we've run this entire Prakhar के Pravachan PG radio operation remotely. So I do drop by once in a
Nice.
while. इस बार वो हुआ नहीं, mostly because of COVID. But I should be there sometime in January, I hope. My mom probably might move to
Cool.
Bombay. My mother's a judge. So she's been posted in Chandigarh the last 6 years and she's due for a transfer. And one of the possibilities is Mumbai. So if she moves to Mumbai, then 50% of my time in India is in Mumbai.
Nice, man. We'll do a
Hmm.
podcast when you're here. I'm I'm
For
I'm
sure, bro.
very against online podcasts. Like it's just not a correct vibe according to me. It's not how podcasts should be done.
It's very difficult. It's a
So
very ping
I'm
pongish situation there. तुमने बोला फिर तुम चुप रहे.
dude, it's like yeah,
I know.
people the thing is you can shut people up in like a very I'm trying to say that in the most positive way as possible, but it becomes a one way conversation sometimes when you're doing it online. And also just in person, man, like you can take the conversation to better places.
You get tonality, expressions, and body language as also support systems of your conversation instead of just words. In fact, I stopped doing
Yeah.
podcasts for part of the reason is that. Part of it was just like I was tired canvassing to people ki aa jao podcast pe. I was like, no more of this. But the other half was ki
Dude,
online feel nahi
it's yeah, bro. I'm not. This is one phase of content creation that I've not truly enjoyed.
hai.
Um, like the last 2 years, and I've done it out of Ghisai
Hmm.
because there are bills to be paid and teams to be
You
run.
mean bringing
But
people
but
on?
no, just generally do this whole switch to short content.
Acha.
Then like all this is not my vibe. Like I know, and because I've not enjoyed the last 2 years so much, I know what I'm going to
Hmm.
do in the next 5 years to kind of make up for this Ghisai. So I
What is that?
intend on going into like I want to go into fiction and all, dude. Like I feel there are certain things you can only say in fiction. You can say through fiction. So I
Hmm.
have I have ideas in my head, and I will do it at some point.
Hmm.
It's a matter of when my startups, like the what I'm working on,
Hmm.
takes off and becomes stable. Like and the moment my co-founders give me a green light, dude, I'm going to go deep into like
So
fictional
when you
content.
say fictional content, as in fictional video content or textual content?
No. Like I would love to do textual,
Huh.
but shows on like Netflix,
Oh,
Do
etc.
acha.
you also
Yes,
intend to
solid.
do short films?
We are going into a short film vibe next year as a training for the next phase. So that's the zone.
That sounds fun, bro.
What do you want to do content wise, Prakhar?
Bro, now that I'm here, I have a unique opportunity to sort of show the kind of life I have, which I hope is not too fantastic, but it's still whatever it is, right? So, starting Tuesday, I think I'll get into a little bit of vlogging. But here is the thing with me: I never saw myself as a content creator until like maybe a month ago, month and a half ago. Usse pehle, I always purported myself to be somewhat of an intellectual. Okay, I don't know if that sounds flexy, but that is how I thought about myself. Only happened very recently, and now I'm beginning to think around content कि अच्छा और content में किया क्या जा सकता है. इससे पहले I was only interested in going online, putting my opinion. So I have vlogs. I'm writing a book now. That's underway. फिर उसके अलावा यार school is enough, frankly. And once I'm done with all of this, I don't want to take the next step of my business anywhere near fame. I feel like ये जो hustle है ना कि तुम fame increase करो, revenue increase होगा, is like it's tiring. I'm very personal, I'm very private in general. So the next venture I do has to sort of not be around putting my face out there for money. That will have to do primarily entrepreneurial hone wala hai wo. And I don't know if it's going to be here or some other part of the world. The way I plan my life also is, मेरे को I'm greedy for experience. Like I still don't think I'm settled in a way where I can be like, अच्छा हो गया, मेरा पेट भर गया. So the next question for me is, where do you want to move? Where do you want to live after New York? Or do you want to live in New York longer? India आने में तो मेरे को time लगेगा, if at all I ever come back. So part of my idea is to move out to LA or San Fran for a little bit. Eventually end up in Hawaii अगर मैं अमेरिका रहता हूँ. If I go to Canada, then Montreal, Toronto. If I go to Europe, then Paris, Holland, में कहीं पे. So these are the questions I think about more than almost anything else.
Nice, man. Nice. Just keep it going, dude. I feel like you're impacting a lot of people's heads. So, like, as long as your work keeps doing
I
that, which
hope
I'm
in a
sure
decent
it
way.
will. Yeah, for sure. But as long as, I mean, if that's the core of what you're doing, dude, everything else will just fall into place.
Sure, I
Yeah,
appreciate
man.
that, bro.
As much as I'd love to only talk to you, dude, I just feel damn bad that
No,
people have
please.
raised their hands.
No. By all means. I just
So,
wanted to come say hi, bro. By all means, go ahead.
likewise.
Yeah.
Okay. Dude, actually, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm just super tired. I want to kind of go to sleep. So, and I have like this whole nighttime ritual where I do yoga and all that, and it's going to take me an hour. So I'm so sorry if you guys stuck around. I love you guys, but I really got to sleep. I've been doing this for like an hour and a half now. So thank you. Join us soon. We'll do another space very, very soon. See you guys. Sorry, Ishan, Chirag.